We are facing a major shortage of skilled workers, particularly in the automotive industry. As you will learn from this presentation, it is imperative that we offer some courses at Oconomowoc High School to prepare our students to be quality employees in this industry and address this skills gap before it is too late. As you can see, data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics indicates that careers in the automotive service and technicians industry are growing at a rate of 6% in the country. This trend is even higher when we look closer at southeast Wisconsin and Waukesha County, which would be ideal for our graduates looking for jobs in the industry who want to stay local. As you can see by looking at the data, while the demand for more workers is growing, the employment trends are going down for both of these fields. This is alarming since we will have less qualified technicians in the field, yet more openings. And another great reason why we need to start filling this gap at Oconomowoc High School. There are three main reasons I believe the addition and implementation of a transportation program is essential at Oconomowoc High School. Number one, according to student data from Career Cruising and other career inventories, there is a demand from students for this type of learning environment and content. Number two, the local community has several dealerships, service repair shops, and even quick service shops that are always in need of quality workers. This would address our student demand as well as providing quality workers in our community. And number three, as mentioned before, there is a growing skills gap both locally and nationally that would continue to grow unless we address it. No longer should we push everyone to go for a 4-year degree. We need to start looking now at how we can prepare all students for their desired career paths. What I am proposing here are two different strands that would fall underneath the transportation program. The first strand would be automotive life skills. This would include a consumer automotive class and potentially in the future an air-cooled engines class. The consumer automotive would give students basic life skills for how to handle, repair, and update their vehicle. This would provide more educated consumers as well as give them some basic skills when they are working with their small engines at home, such as a lawnmower or even a snowblower. The other pathway would be an automotive career pathway. This would include courses such as Automotive 1, Automotive 2, and Automotive 3. Students would have the opportunity to do a youth apprenticeship at one of the local businesses in town, applying some of these skills. This would also give them opportunities to earn industry certifications, which will help them if they plan to pursue a career in this path later. As you can see, there are a lot of benefits from adding the transportation program to our high school. This will give us an opportunity to connect with the local community for youth apprenticeships and job placements, provide quality employees for the local and extended community, and it will also better prepare our students by providing opportunities to explore careers in the automotive industry as well as develop educated consumers. I would like to wrap up with a quote from Confucius, who states, "The expectations of life depend upon diligence. The mechanic that would be perfect for his work must first sharpen his tools." I challenge you, Oconomowoc. Let's help our students sharpen their automotive tools during their time at OHS with the addition of the transportation program. Thank you.